Crude oil has delivered the strongest move of recent times. I have been sharing this since long. The move in oil is due and above 65. We can look forward to a rally here. Though the move here is attributed to the uncertainties in the zone, in the region, specifically with Iran. And we can see oil hitting the highs at 75 levels today. While natural gas also responded, and we can see gas now moving towards 3.6 zone, though 3.7, 3.72 offered it a very strong resistance yesterday. So, what to expect now from oil and gas today? Are we looking forward for this bull run to continue? Are we looking forward for this rise to continue here in the oil prices? Is it heading above $80 levels? Or yeah, yes, the when the news settles down, when the development settles here, can we expect a reversal in oil prices where it is again going to go back towards 68, 65 zone? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading crude oil and natural gas? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Notice these are uncertain times, and every development carries a meaning. The prices are getting sensitive here. Thus, you should be trading with caution. Things are definitely volatile. Let's start first to look into oil, followed with gas. Watch till the end. See, oil on the hourly charts. First of all, the complete movement. First of all, the technicals here hardly means anything because these are sensitive developments here. The Bollinger Bands have narrowed here. I have mentioned yesterday as well that oil on the bands here, you can see whenever you see such neck, you can see an expansion definitely. And this is what I mean by expansion. Such a massive move it has delivered. Now look at the hourly charts. See, higher lows are seen, higher highs. Now 72, 71.4 is the zone, is what it needs to breach in order to confirm the down move here. As long as oil prices stays above 72, 71.4, you should be very, very cautious with the sells. Now 72 is $2 away from the current levels. Also note the complete move is outside bands, and hence it is feeling a bit of pressure to stay outside bands here. Though the bands are expanding, but the prices are definitely feeling it difficult, finding it difficult to stay above. Now, if you see it is staying above 74.2, when you see the higher prices, lower prices above 74.2, you can buy again and expect it to move towards 75. Now, this red line carries a meaning here, which suggests oil has to breach beyond 76 in order to confirm the bullish breakout. Moving averages are rising, stochastic extremely overbought, MACD extremely divergent and bullish, RSI extremely overbought. When things get overbought, prices definitely are in a sensitive zone, and it also means that prices can reverse any point of time. Second thing here to note, it is the support it has created. Now 68 was the resistance. Now this is going to remain the prime support at 68 and 67.2. And these are far below levels from the current pool. Notice every rise offsets with a retracement, every rise offsets with a retracement. Now the 20 period definitely has offered a support, and the bigger the rise, the bigger could be the reversal here. Let's watch out at the current zone. Stochastic overbought, MACD extremely bullish, RSI extremely overbought here. On the 3-hour, similar is the observation, the move outside Bollinger Bands failing to sustain here. This could also mean a reversal. Prices might trade below 72 with the next candle where it could move towards 70 and lower levels. So things are uncertain, I will say, for sure, but also remember, when things are uncertain, it can stay with the direction. As this is a breakout, it can stay bullish here, though it is getting difficult for oil to sustain this bullish momentum. So let's watch out with caution, specifically on the upside. Only buying entry has to be above 74.2. Stochastic overbought, MACD extremely overbought, RSI extremely overbought. Likewise on the 4-hour, similar is the observation on the 4-hour charts. In fact, right now you can sell here at 73 and expect the prices to move towards $72 zone. Now 72 is one support which it has to break in order to confirm the downside. As long as 72 and 71.4 is not taken, you have to be cautious with the sells. Once oil trades below 72 and 71.4, we can aim for $70.2 levels here. Below 70.2 is where the bears might be active. Then you can look forward to 69.3 and 68 zone. Yes, it could erase all the gains today. Things are uncertain, anything and everything is possible. Stochastic overbought, MACD extremely bullish, RSI extremely overbought. Things are slightly overbought here. Coming to the daily. On the 4-hour charts, also see candle is starting outside bands. We can see prices falling in the bands, which means prices might move towards $72 zone, which should offer a maximum support in 71.4. And the yes, below that, the levels which you have discussed are going to play a critical role. Notice every rise offsets with a retracement, moving averages are looking upwards. Prices might retrace here as well. Coming to daily, now see on the daily charts, this is the second spike here. After a major retracement move, it is now giving a breakout. Now it is pretty important for oil to stay above $80 levels. This is the next breakout zone, and this is what we can confirm a complete move outside this channel. Notice oil has traded in this channel for a while now. Almost since last 5 years, oil has respected this channel where lower highs are consistently seen and lower lows are seen. Now this time forming the bottom, it has shown a good rise and this breakout might stay here. Though today should not be the day. Stochastic overbought, MACD extremely bullish, RSI back to overbought zone. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to provide you the levels. And before I do so, if you also want to learn this art of trading, you should join my 33rd mentorship batch. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or telegram for your queries related to the mentorship badge. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on telegram. Again, connect with me for queries. Now once you have your trades in place, it is very important to have a trusted partner which can offer you swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe. You can find the trusted partner link also in the channel and video description. Now considering this, what I'll recommend, as we have discussed, you can stay with the sells below 73 and expect it to move towards $72 levels. Below 72, we can expect 71.4. Now this zone is very important, 72 and 71.4. A move below 72 and 71.4 should take it all the way towards 70.2, $70 zone, which should be the next strongest support here on the downside. And if it stays below 70, 69.2, 68.4 and 68 is the zone which it needs to break. Now 68 is one critical level which oil needs to break in order to confirm a reversal. On the upside, ideal buying entry has to be above 74, but you can initiate a buy at 73.6 and expect 74 as the first target zone. Then beyond 74 and 74.2. Now 74, 74.2 I am marking as the strongest resistance here. Beyond this, expect 74.8, 75. And once 75 is taken, stay bullish for 75.6 and in fact 76.2 levels. Beyond that, the sky is the limit on the upside. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's move to natural gas. Natural gas on the hourly charts, you can see trading with swings. On the upside now 3.7 is one hurdle, on the downside 3.54 is the second one. It is staying in the zone, it is staying in the box. Very important for net gas to stay above 3.7 in order to confirm the breakout here. Yes, 3.7, 3.72, if it breaches, certainly it's a bullish reversal. Moving averages have crossed over here, trying to suggest slight bullishness. Stochastic bearish, the MACD under retracement, the RSI is placed comfortably here. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour chart, similar observation, prices have come down to take the support from the 20 period. And now only bearishness in net gas is if you see it is staying below $3.6 levels. When you see the higher prices below 3.6, stay with the sells, but I'll say 3.56, 3.54 is the strongest support on the downside. A drop below 3.5654 will confirm further bearishness. Stochastic rising, the MACD rising, the RSI is comfortably placed. On the 3 hour charts, and similar is the observation. Notice the swings here. Every rise offsets with a retracement. Every rise offsets with a retracement. Now the base is created at 3.56, 3.54 zone. Very important for oil to or net gas to break below this in order to confirm the further down move. So on the upside 3.7, 3.72, on the downside 3.5654 zone, offering it a very good support. Stochastic rising, MACD rising here, the RSI is comfortably placed. On the 4 hour, you can see similar positioning here on the 4 hour charts, drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop, retracement. And now see, it is slightly skewed on the upside and good consolidation is happening. We have to wait for a breakout in order to confirm a clear direction. Stochastic rising, the MACD is also rising. It has crossed over at the bottom and it is trading with moderate bullishness. The RSI is flat. Coming to the daily chart, on the daily charts, notice diminishing bearishness and the swings, increasing body size suggest today could be another day where we can see a greener candle, but not if it breaches 3.6, 3.56, 3.54 zone. Notice it is the swing in which it is trading. The highs here are towards 3.9, 3.4 zone, while the lows at 3.5 and 3.4 are getting critical for net gas to breach below. Right now, it is perfectly placed in between this. Moving averages are also staying flat. Stochastic at bottom, MACD flat, RSI flat. So now considering this today, I will recommend you to buy if you see it is staying beyond 3.65. And once net gas stays above 3.65, the targets are going to be 3.68, 3.7 zone, first target zone, 3.75, 3.76 the next, and 3.8 the third. Any move beyond 3.8, just stay bullish for 3.9 and $4 zone very soon. Remember, today if it closes on a bullish note, the opening is going to be on a gap up note on Monday, where the prices might directly head towards $4 levels. This is something you should keep a note of. But for this to happen, the closing today has to be above 3.8 and on a bullish note. On the downside, now I'll recommend a selling entry at 3.6 levels. When you see the higher prices below 3.60, take a sell for 3.5654. Only bearishness today in natural gas is if it trades below 3.5654. Remember, as long as 3.5654 is not taken, prices can bounce back. Below 3.54, expect 3.5, 3.45 and 3.4. Any point of time, natural gas trading below 3.4 is a clear sign of crash here towards 3.2 and lower levels. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again with the US session. Do watch that update. Thank you.